PLAUD NotePin is an AI-driven memory capsule that you can use to memorialize your thoughts on the go. You can wear it around your neck, you can pin it to your clothes, or you can pin it to your clothes using the magnetic clip, and you can even wear it like a wristwatch. You simply squeeze it, and it begins recording. Stay tuned, let's check it out. Okay everyone, welcome back. So you're probably already asking yourself, why the heck do I need one of these things? What's the point? I've already got a phone. I've got a watch. I've got multiple devices that can record things. Well, with the PLAUD NotePin, it boils down to how simple and easy to use it is. Let me explain. Literally, all you got to do to record is hold it. When it vibrates like that, you know it's recording. You've got the little light on showing you that it's recording. That's it. It's so simple and easy to use. And it's recording every single thing that I'm saying right now. So what's a real world example of this? Well, let me show you. As a YouTube content creator, I'm always thinking on the go. Sometimes ideas and inspirations just pop in your head at random times. Let's say you're out for a run and that idea pops in your head. Grab your PLAUD note, hold record, and record your memo. YouTube channel idea. Play Final Fantasy VII. Hold it down, and now you've got that recording to play back at a later time. You don't have to worry about forgetting about it. So let's say you're cooking dinner, and then you're making your chicken, your pasta, and you want to remember what you made for a future recipe, but you don't have time to write it down. You don't want to be fumbling with your phone because you don't want to get sauce all over it. Well, all you got to do is take this, hold it till it vibrates, and now it's recording. So it's going to memorialize everything you say to it. So you can say, I used a half a pound of chicken, a pound of pasta, a cup of sauce, pepper, salt, oregano, and then you can have all that memorialized. So when you get back to your phone, it's right there to create your cool recipe. Let's say you're in a spot where you can't take any notes, but you get a super important phone call. You can start recording with your PLAUD note, answer the call, and then if they give you a number that they want you to call back on, you can say, okay, sure. I'll call you back on 555-123-4567. Great, thank you. Have a nice day. So now, when you said it out loud, the PLAUD note recorded that phone number for you. Okay, so let's do a longer real-world test with the PLAUD note here. So like I said earlier, to get it to record, all you have to do is squeeze it in the center. You'll know it's recording when you see the little light glowing on it. So right now, it is recording everything we are saying. So let's feed it some information. So as a YouTube content creator, I'm always looking for new and exciting ideas, innovations to test out and try. Whether it's technology, video games, travel, you name it, I love it. I love new experiences and trying new things, including the PLAUD NotePin here. So that should be good. Let's go ahead and pause this, and then I'll show you how to import it into the mobile app. So to stop the recording, we just squeeze, and you'll see that the light is now out, and we are ready to transfer it to our app. So let's do that now. Okay, so here we've got our iPhone set up. Now you can do this with an iPhone or an Android phone. All you need to do is use the PLAUD app, and here we've got the PLAUD NotePin. So let's go ahead here and open up the app. So as you can see, here is the app, and here are my devices that are accessible via the app, and you can see the PLAUD NotePin is connected, and it is transferring the data from the device straight to the app. Now this all happens through Bluetooth, so you need to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on and the device is in range. As you can see here, that finishes. And let's play back the app sound from this recording so that we see exactly what it recorded. know it's recording when you see the little light glowing on it. So right now it is recording everything we are saying. So let's feed it some information. So as a YouTube content creator, I'm always looking for... So you can see it recorded everything I said when I was outside walking as an example. So now we're ready to tell it to generate the text through AI. So if we hit generate here, you can see we've got different systems to use. You can use autopilot, reasoning autopilot, consulting, report, and it's going to select a summary template for you. I'm going to use the autopilot one, and we'll tell it to use speaker labels. Now, there's only me, so it'll only be one label, but we'll see what it does here. And recording language is English. AI model is GPT-4o, so it's using ChatGPT. So let's go ahead here and hit generate now. So what it is going to do is it's going to send this off over the internet to the AI rendering to go ahead and render that text from the audio. So we'll see how long it takes to come back here. Should happen pretty quickly. Once you're done with transferring your recordings, you can go ahead and put the PLAUD NotePin off to the side. Now, as you can see, it's transcribing the audio to text, and we should get that transcription back here in near real time. Generating a summary. And here we have it. So it generated a summary. And it does what it does is it takes the information it heard me say and turns it into a summary. So we have an overview, and what it does is it tries to create this summary based on what it learned from listening to my audio. So we have the recording process, the content creation, things I talked about as a YouTube content creator. There's a constant pursuit of new and exciting ideas and innovations to test and try. So that is accurate based on what I talked about. It talks about tools and technology, the recording process, the importing process, action items, and AI suggestions. So here is the transcript of everything that I told it. You'll know it's recording when you see the little light glowing on it. So right now it's recording everything we are saying. This is literally everything that I told it. Talked about me being a YouTube content creator, looking for new and exciting ideas and innovations to test out and try. Whether it's technology, video games, travel, you name it, I love it. I love new experiences and trying new things, including the PLAUD NotePin here. So that should be good. Let's go ahead and pause this, and I'll show you how to import it into the mobile app. So to stop the recording, and as you can see, it stopped the recording just when I told it to. So now I've got that text transcription from what I talked about, and I can save both the audio and the text for later, which is awesome. And I'll have this permanently stored in the app. So this is awesome. This does exactly as I expected it to. Let's go ahead here and go into final thoughts. Okay, so final thoughts here on the PLAUD NotePin. This thing is awesome. It is so simple and so easy to use. It is really legitimately an amazing piece of technology. I love the simplicity of it because, we're always on the go as a society. It's always go, 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 go. Sometimes you come up with these ideas in your head that are really great, but then life happens and you forget about it because you never wrote it down, or in this case, recorded it. But now with one of these, if you said to yourself while you're out for a run, oh wow, I have a great idea for a YouTube video. All you got to do is squeeze, record what you want to say, squeeze it again, and you've got it memorialized forever. That is worth its weight in gold, because I can't tell you how many times I've forgotten something that I thought about that was super important, that could have been really, really great. I love the fact that the PLAUD sends all these different accessories with the PLAUD Note, which is really nice, from the wristband to the USB-C charger, that all you do to charge it is slide off the magnetic back, stick it on, and it's good to charge. It has a USB-C cable, so easy charging, and you can use it with a wide variety of chargers for mobile phones or any USB port you have free, whether it's on a PlayStation 5 like I have behind me, your PC, your iPhone charger, your Android charger. It works with anything, and they charge super quick and will last literally almost a month on a full battery, which is really cool, or hours upon hours of recording, which is awesome. They've also got the nice pin to attach it to your clothes. Same thing, the magnetic backing here, which is really nice. You just go ahead here, stick it on. You're good to record. You can put it on your collar, your arm, your wrist cuff, if you're wearing a suit, you name it. It's compatible with all mobile phones, iPhone, Androids, which is really nice. You just got to make sure you have the PLAUD app on it. And I'm telling you, you will absolutely love this thing. I have really, honestly, nothing negative to say about this at all. I love how simple it is and easy to use. And this is a life changer for people who are constantly on the go. And I definitely recommend you get one. So thank you to PLAUD for sending this to me to review. As a thank you to my viewers, there is a discount code in the description of this video where you can purchase one of these and save 10%. So thank you to everybody for watching, and as always, if you could click that like button and subscribe to Tech Gamers World, I'm always going to have new and exciting content from the world of video games and technology dropping all the time. Thanks a lot, everybody, and I will see you around.